Hey love bugs. Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. So for today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and a small mini makeup tutorial with the Boxycharm premium box that they did in collaboration with Fenty Beauty. So everything in this box is all Fenty Beauty products. Super excited that I got off the wait list and got this month's box. I was really excited for it. But yeah, if you guys want to see what I got in this box and what kind of look I create using the products, then please make sure you guys stay tuned and keep on watching. But before you guys, get to the next part of this video, make sure you guys are subscribed and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and follow me on all of my other social medias. Everything will be linked down below for you guys. Now without further ado, let's get to this video. Alright you guys, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and pretty much unbox the box. That way we can quickly get to the makeup tutorial portion of this video. So every time you get a box from Boxycharm, it comes with a card. So for this one, it has a Boxycharm X Fenty Beauty, and then on the back of it, it'll give you all of the products that you are getting in the box, along with prices and pretty much information about the items. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Trophy Wife Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Take this out, and this retails for $36. So it is the gold highlight that everyone obsesses over. Been wanting to get it, but I just haven't been able to get my hands on it. So I'm super excited that they actually did a collaboration with Fenty and got a whole. I got pretty much all the products, if I'm being honest. Alright, so the next here I have is the Invisimatte blotting paper. This is it here, and this retails for $16. I probably won't use that as often just because I don't really have oily skin. I think it'll be really helpful more so in the summertime when I do get oily a lot in my T-zone, but as of right now I don't see myself using it. The next thing we have here is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. This one is in PMS. And this retails for $18. Ooh, gorgeous vampy color. This is gorgeous. Oh yes. Oh yes. Super excited for this. Okay, then I did get a gloss bomb. Yeah, I did get a gloss bomb in the shade Diamond Milk, but what I did was actually put that in a giveaway box. And I already have it, so this is what it looks like here. So why not just give that one away, like give the one that I got today recently in this box away, and keep the one that I already have. Next we have a matchstick, and this one is called Chili Mango. Ooh, this is cute. This is super cute. Let's see how this blends out. Ooh, yes. That blends out really nicely. Okay, and the matchsticks retail for $25. I actually really love the matchsticks. And then the star of this box, which I'm super excited that I actually didn't buy this because I was actually going to purchase this recently. And I'm happy that I did it, and I'm happy that I waited. This is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette from Fenty. The only palette that I've had from Fenty is the Galaxy one, which I actually gave away. Well, actually all shimmers. There's no mattes in that palette. So this is what this looks like. This is really pretty. Super pretty. So this retails for $29. I believe that's the cost of it now. It used to cost more, but I believe they have it now at a discounted price. So if you end up liking how the look comes out with this palette, you might want to go ahead and grab it before price goes right back up. So I'm going to be using the P. Louise Rumor bases. I'm going to be mixing shade 2 and 3. Shade 2 does come out a little too light, and shade 3, once set, does show up a little too dark on me. So I'm going to actually be mixing these two today. I am taking a break from my Gerard Cosmetics only because I have so many of these and I need to just like use them up, and I'm noticing that I'm already like almost done with my Gerard Cosmetics one. So I don't want to use all of it, and yeah. So I'm gonna mix these two, and I love P. Louise bases. They're really good, and it really does grab the color and makes everything look true to color as well. So I really love using this base, and I also love the coverage of it. Okay, so now that we have the eyes nice and correct, we're gonna go in with the palette to be always Charlotte. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna be going within like the reddish brownish shades, you know, over here, because this is really a draw, like drew the palette. Drew me to the palette, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this shade here. I don't know the name. First, pat the product where I want it first. Wow, okay. You guys, I've never tried any of Fenty's like matte shadows. Like I said, the only palette I've had from her is the Galaxy one, and that's literally all shimmers, which it's a beautiful palette, but it's hella glittery and it can get messy real quick. But the shades, don't get me wrong, are honestly gorgeous. So I'm just gonna do that there, and then I'm gonna clean off my brush a little bit and then just start to blend those edges. Better. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to take this shade here, which will probably be saffron. That one there. I'm excited to see how this color looks. And then I'm just gonna put that, oh yeah, pigment, okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right underneath that first shade. Bring into the crease. I want to kind of go in with a darker shade just to deepen up the crease a little bit more. So I'm going to take this shade here, which would be Spice Trip. This one here, and I am going to go ahead and take Morphe M507, and we're going to put her right into the crease and the outer V so that we can just add some more definition. This is pretty. This is nice. This is really nice. Okay. Okay, Rihanna. Yes. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take maybe this shade or this shade. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna take a mixture of these two shades, these two shimmer shades, which will probably be Moroccan Ice and Mirage. I'm gonna just take that on on a brush. I'm gonna put her in the brow bone. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really pretty. Such a pretty shade. Probably can't even see it that much.
Mommy?
Yes. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Kilowatt Highlight in Trophy because I can't use this on my skin. Way too late. I mean, yeah, I'm way too late. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this on the eye. And I've seen a lot of people use this on the eye, but they use their finger. So that's what I'm going to do. Look at that. Look how intense. Y'all. Can you guys see that? Like, what? Okay, and just for fun, I'm gonna take that white shade and apply it here. Just to see if we can get a little bit. Ooh, yes.
Wait, that's better? You tested the glitter on the eye.
Just like a. Ooh, that is so pretty. Alright, guys, so base is done, lashes are on. I did just do the under eyes really quickly with the same colors that I chose before, and then for the inner corner I used this shade here, which will probably be Casablanca, probably. I don't know. Like I said, these names are a little confusing. So now let's complete this look with the rest of the products. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the matchstick, and I'm just gonna warm it up in the back of my hand. Now I already like bronzed up the skin just a little bit, so I'm just gonna take that right in the back, and I'm just gonna pick it up on my sponge and then apply it to the cheek because I don't want to apply too much. Ooh, this is really pretty. I don't want to apply too much. So by doing this, applying it on the back of your hand, just picking it up with your sponge, that helps pick up just enough, and you get to, you know, blend it. Next, I am gonna go in with a little bit of Trophy Wipe. I'm gonna go very light-handed, just to get some glow. I don't want it to be like gold on my cheek, so I'm dapping, but I'm like, you know, taking out any excess, and then whatever is left on the brush is what I'm gonna, yeah, so doing that really helped. And then with it mixing in with that cream product, that cream blush, it looks really nice. As you guys can see here, you see it better here on this side. It's not overpowering and too much, because this is definitely a product that can get crazy really fast. So just a little bit here and here. I'm gonna put on the cupid's bow. I'm not gonna line my lips. I'm just gonna use, ooh. This is so creamy. I look like I got a mustache. I'm actually going to take a little bit of this gloss bomb, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put it on the back of my hand because I don't want to mix the lipstick on it. I'm just going to take a brush and apply it right here in the center. Look at that. Oh, yes. It just gives that oomph right where it needs to be. Oh, this is super beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy with this box, you guys. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look here. This is what we got using Boxycharm and Fenty box for this month of March. I am super excited with all the products that I got, and the fact that I was able to utilize, you know, the matchstick and the trophy wife like in a different way that is suitable for my skin tone, like definitely like really made me happy. I'm super excited about the palettes, and this lipstick is bomb, like super duper bomb. Like I'm obsessed. I haven't worn a vampy lip like this in such a long time, and I am feeling it. I'm feeling it. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Also, follow me on all of my other socials. If you like me doing unboxing of subscription boxes, mainly Boxycharm because that's the only one that I'm subscribed to at this moment, then please let me know down in the comment section. That way I can continue doing them. I know you guys like reviews and you guys like my makeup tutorials, so if you guys want to see me like incorporate the unboxing and just pretty much doing a makeup tutorial using the products that I got in the box, then be sure to comment down below and let me know. That way I can continue doing them for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah!